Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Taurus. First, make sure your vehicle is running and safely in park. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your car's central display screen. This initial setup ensures everything is ready for a smooth and successful connection process. Once in the Sync menu, select the Add Device or Phone option. Your car's display will then show a unique 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, your phone should also display this same PIN. Confirm that these numbers match on both screens to complete the pairing. Your mobile device is now successfully connected to your Taurus's sync system. With your phone paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. Make calls using simple voice commands or by touching the screen. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your car's sound system. Easily control the volume and skip tracks using the convenient sync controls on your steering wheel or dashboard. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable mode. Sometimes, deleting older, unused devices from your sync system can resolve connection problems and free up memory. For more detailed instructions or specific model variations, always refer to your Ford Taurus owner's manual. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.